Welcome back to English Boost Every Day, everyone. Today's episode is all about building a strong language network to boost your English learning. And guess what? You will learn 5 things you need to do. You're about to discover 5 essential strategies to connect with fellow learners and native speakers, leverage online forums and social media, and create a supportive community that will keep you motivated and growing. I'm Michael, your host, and I'm excited to be here with our amazing guest, Sarah, an expert in networking for language learning. Let's dive right in.
Hi, everyone. I'm so excited to join you today. Learning English in isolation can be really challenging, but building a community around your learning journey can make all the difference. Today, we'll discuss practical ways to find reliable language partners, engage in online forums, and even attend local meetups. I'll also share some real life success stories and expert tips to help you harness the power of networking. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your fluency, these strategies will help you gain valuable feedback, maintain motivation, and continuously practice your skills.
Let's jump into our first essential strategy. Identify your networking goals. Before you start connecting with others, it's important to know what you want to achieve. Sarah, can you explain why setting clear goals for your networking efforts is key?
Absolutely, Michael. When you set clear networking goals, you can focus your energy on building the right connections. Ask yourself, do you want to improve your speaking skills, learn new vocabulary, or get feedback on your writing? Once you know your objectives, you can look for language exchange partners, online communities, or local groups that align with your goals. This focus not only saves you time, but also makes your interactions more productive. Clear goals act as a roadmap for your networking journey and help you track your progress over time.
That's a great starting point. With clear goals, you know exactly what to look for. Now, let's move on to our second essential strategy. Leverage online forums and social media groups. The digital world offers a wealth of resources for language learners. Sarah, what are some effective ways to use online communities for improving your English?
Online forums and social media groups are fantastic places to connect with other learners and native speakers. Platforms like Reddit, Facebook, and dedicated language forums offer spaces where you can ask questions, share experiences, and get advice. I recommend joining groups focused on English learning. Look for communities with active discussions and supportive members. Engaging in regular conversations on these platforms can expose you to diverse language styles and cultural insights. Don't be shy. Contribute to discussions, share your own tips, and even ask for feedback on your language use. The more active you are, the more you'll benefit from the collective knowledge of the community.
That's excellent advice. Online communities provide not just learning opportunities, but also a sense of belonging. Now, onto our third essential strategy. Participate in virtual language exchanges and meetups. Real-time practice is invaluable. Sarah, how can learners take advantage of virtual meetups and language exchange sessions?
Virtual language exchanges are a powerful tool for real-time practice. Platforms such as Tandem, Italki, or Meetup often have scheduled sessions where you can speak with native speakers and fellow learners. These sessions allow you to practice conversational English in a supportive environment. I suggest scheduling regular virtual meetups, perhaps once or twice a week, and treating them like real classes. Prepare some topics or questions in advance to keep the conversation flowing. Additionally, many virtual groups organize themed sessions like movie discussions or cultural exchange, which can make the interactions more engaging and fun. The key is consistency. The more you practice, the more natural and confident you'll become.
I love that. Consistent real-time practice can really accelerate your learning. Now, let's move on to our fourth essential strategy. Attend local meetups and language cafes. Face-to-face interaction can boost your learning in ways that virtual exchanges sometimes can't. Sarah, what tips do you have for engaging in local language events?
Local meetups and language cafes offer an excellent opportunity to practice English in person. Look for events at community centers, libraries, or even coffee shops that host language exchange sessions. These events allow you to experience authentic conversations and build deeper connections with other learners and native speakers. My tip is to attend these events regularly and try to engage in conversations, even if you're nervous at first. Local meetups also provide cultural insights and real life language usage that can be very inspiring. Over time, these interactions help improve your fluency and give you a confidence boost that can't be matched by online practice alone.
That's so valuable. In-person connections can really enhance your communication skills and motivate you to keep learning. Finally, let's discuss our fifth essential strategy. Seek feedback and learn from success stories. Networking is not just about meeting people, it's also about learning from their experiences. Sarah, how can our listeners leverage feedback and success stories to improve their language skills?
Feedback is crucial for growth. Whether it's through online forums, virtual exchanges, or local meetups, ask for constructive criticism on your language use. Use this feedback to refine your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. Also, listen to success stories from others who have successfully built their language network. Many learners share their journeys online, and these stories can offer practical insights and inspire you to push through challenges. Embrace every piece of feedback as a stepping stone to improvement, and remember that every conversation is an opportunity to learn.
Let's quickly recap the 5 essential strategies for leveraging networking to enhance your English. 1. Identify your networking goals. Set clear objectives to guide your interactions. 2. Leverage online forums and social media. Engage in active discussions and share your experiences. 3. Participate in virtual language exchanges. Schedule regular real-time practice sessions to improve fluency. 4. Attend local meetups and language cafes. Experience face-to-face interactions to boost confidence and cultural understanding. 5. Seek feedback and learn from success stories. Use constructive criticism and inspirational journeys to continuously improve.
Exactly, Michael. By integrating these strategies into your routine, you'll build a strong language community that provides support, motivation, and continuous practice. Networking not only helps you improve your English skills, but also enriches your cultural understanding and makes learning more enjoyable.
Before we wrap up today's episode, I want to encourage all our listeners to start taking action now. Whether you join an online forum, participate in a virtual language exchange, or attend a local meetup, every effort you make will bring you closer to fluency. Building a network is about connecting, sharing, and growing together.
Absolutely. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask questions. Every conversation is an opportunity to learn. Embrace the community, share your experiences, and let the success stories of others inspire you to keep improving.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Sarah, and thank you to all our listeners for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's episode, please check out our previous videos on speaking, listening, vocabulary, and writing to further enhance your English journey. We update our channel daily with fresh, engaging content, so be sure to visit every day.
Yes, please remember to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode, like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends. Your support helps our community grow and motivates us to continue delivering practical language tips and networking strategies.
That's right. So, as you leave today's session, keep these 5 essential strategies in mind and start building your language network today. Until next time, this is Michael with Sarah by my side, signing off. Have an amazing day and keep connecting.